Hello, students. We are doing the chapter Understanding Quadrilateral, that is chapter number 3. And by now, I hope you all are clear with exercise 3.1. So let's continue exercise 3.2. In your previous exercise also you have find the value of x of various figures. Again here there are some figures in which you have to find the value of x, but everywhere there are some different things you have to find out, and these are very creative, very easy questions. If you will think creatively, you can do it very easily. Inside this angle, it is not marked any of the angle. All the angles are given outside. So I have marked this angle to be M inside, and this angle I have marked N. That's what given in blue color. So this M plus 125 are forming linear pair. Again, this N and 125 are forming linear pair. So we can find the value of M and N. And what is X for M and N? X is the exterior angle of this triangle, and X is equals to M plus N, because that's interior opposite angles. So you can find X very easily. Now see the steps how to write. First we have written 125 plus M is equals to 180 degree. That's a linear pair. Then 125 you will be taking on the right hand side. So M is equals to 180 minus 125. M is 55 degree. Similarly, you will be finding the value of N. 125 plus N is equals to 180 degree. N is equals to 180 minus 125, and the value of N will be 55 degree. Now X is equals to M plus N, as I told you that X is the exterior angle for this triangle having M and N as the interior opposite angles. So exterior angle of a triangle is equals to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So X is equals to 55 plus 55, that is M plus N, the value of M and N. So the value of X is 110 degree. Here 125, both 125 are also exterior angles. But we have to take that exterior angle, whatever exterior angle we have to take, its interior angles are opposite to that, not the adjacent one we cannot take ever. Okay. So the value of X in this is 110. Now the B part is again, this is a figure having 5 sides. So in this 5-sided figure, the sum of all the angles is 540 degree, as you have done in a pentagon. The sum of the angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. And if you don't remember its measurement, you can find it with the value or with the formula n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So here in this part, in this figure inside, one angle is this box, that means it is 90 degree. This is not shown, but we can write it as 90 degree because it is also perpendicular and it is forming linear pair. So this, where I have put this red spot, it's also 90 degree. This angle I have marked M because M plus 70 we can find out with the help of linear pair, and N plus 60 is also 180 because they are forming linear pair. Then you will be finding from all this, inside this pentagon, you will be finding the angle which is adjacent to X by the help of angle sum property of a pentagon, and that angle and X are forming linear pair. So with this method you will be able to find X. So it's little long, but it's not difficult, it's very easy, right? So two interior angles in this figure are given 90 degree. One is this one and the other one is this, where I have marked. Third angle is 70 plus M is 180 degree linear pair. And the fourth angle is 60 plus N is 180 degree linear pair, as I told you. Now we will solve these two to find the value of M and N. M is 180 minus 70, so M will be 110 degree. And on the right side, N is equals to 180 minus 60, so N is 120 degree. You can also write it like this only in the notebook, M and N, but put a line in between. The figure is having 5 sides, so it is a pentagon. And the sum of the angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees. Moving ahead to this part, I have now marked this angle to be Y because we have to name it somehow. So in this inside of this pentagon, one is 90, one is 90, 90 plus 90, और दो angles जो आपने M and N की value निकाली है, that is 110 degree and 120 degree, plus the fifth angle is Y, and the sum of all this would be 540 degree. With this, you can find the value of Y. This all will sum up to be 410 degree. So 410 plus Y is equals to 540. So Y is equals to 540 minus 410, and you will be get the value of Y to be 130. Now moving ahead after this, it's very easy for you. I hope you all have done so many questions like this before. So you can do it on your own also. First do it on your own and then watch it here. That Y plus X is equals to 180 degree because it's forming linear pair. You have to write the reason as well. Now X plus, you will put the value of Y 130 here. So X plus 130 is 180. So X would be 180 minus 130 and X is 50 degree. So I hope this is clear to you well. Now question number 2 said, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. अब आपको each exterior angle निकालना है of the polygon which is having 9 sides. सबसे पहले sum of the angles of a regular polygon having sides n is 9 minus 2 into 180. So the figure which is having 9 sides, the polygon which is having 9 sides, the sum of its angles is 9 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 7 into 180 degree, and on multiplying you will get it as 1260 degree. So each interior angle would be 1260 upon 9. Because if sum of all the angles is 1260 and there are 9 angles, so the measure of each angle is 140 degree by dividing it with 9. This is, we have find interior angle, right? But in the question he has asked us the exterior angle. So whatever interior angle we are forming, that interior angle plus its exterior angle are forming a linear pair. So for finding that exterior angle, we will subtract it from 180 degree. So the each exterior angle of a 9-sided figure is 180 minus 140, that is 40. Let me explain this again, that why we have taken this 180. Because any of the angle you are taking, see, I'll explain this like, suppose if this is the figure, any type of this figure, if this is the angle, इंटीरियर एंगल, अगर हमने ये ईच इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर फिगर निकाल लिया तो उसका एक्सटीरियर एंगल ये होगा, and one interior angle and exterior angle are both forming a linear pair, and both the angles together is forming of 180 degree. So अगर आपने इंटीरियर एंगल निकाल लिया है और एक्सटीरियर एंगल आपको निकालना है तो आप उन दोनों का सम 180 डिग्री लिख सकते हैं, और यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली 180 माइनस इंटीरियर एंगल. So the each exterior angle measures 40 degree if the polygon is having 9 sides. So each exterior angle निकालने का एक और वे है अदर देन दिस कि इसमें आपने पहले एक इंटीरियर एंगल निकाला और फिर 180 में से माइनस करा. Sum of all exterior angles is always 360 degree for any of the figures. Okay. So each exterior angle is this formula, sum of exterior angles upon number of sides. So sum of exterior angles is always 360 degree. It is fixed for any polygon. And number of sides it is, this figure is having is 9. So you can directly find out it's to be 40 degree. For one part you will be doing both the methods. I know the second one is the shorter one, but still you have to do both the methods in the notebook in the first part, and for the second part it's your choice. In the second part it is having 15 sides. So sum of angles of a regular polygon having sides 15, पहले उसका sum निकालेंगे, n minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 15 minus 2 into 180, that is 13 into 180, and you will be getting 2340 degree. So this is the angle sum. Sum of all the angles of a 15-sided figure is 2340. Then each interior angle is 2340 upon 15, and its value would be 156 degree. And to find the its exterior angle, you will be subtracting it from 180 degree. So each exterior angle is 180 minus 156, that is 24 degree. Or you can use the shorter method. Each exterior angle is sum of exterior angles, that is again 360 degree, and number of sides of this figure is 15. So the answer is 24. It's same 24. So first part you have to show both the methods, and in second part you can use any one method. You can use a smaller one also, but you must know what is the method, how to do. That's why I want you to do both the methods in the first part. Let's move to question number 3. It said, how many sides does a regular polygon have? Now this time you have to find the sides. If the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree, now you are given the measure of one exterior angle and you have to find the number of sides. So you know the formula, each exterior angle abhi humne kara is equals to sum of all exterior angles divided by number of sides. So here you can fill each exterior angle आपको दे रखा है 24 degree. Sum of exterior angles आपको पता है that's 360 degree. And number of sides आप इस फॉर्मूले में दो चीजें आपको दे रखी हैं, and third you can find out, or you can make like this. Each exterior angle is 24 degree. Sum is 360 and number of sides. Now you can cross multiply. So number of sides multiplied by 24 is equals to 360, and then number of sides जो आपका 24 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है नंबर ऑफ साइड्स के साथ, वो दूसरी साइड आके डिवाइड हो जाएगा. So it would be 360 upon 24. You will be reducing it with the table of 12. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 0, and 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30. So your answer would be 15. Thus the regular polygon is having 15 sides, which is having each exterior angle to be 24 degree. So if any two of this will be given to you, you can find the third one. Question number 4 said, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? Now this time you are given the interior angle. So if interior angle is 165 degree, you can find its exterior angle very easily, and then further you can solve it as you have done in question number 3. एक्सटीरियर एंगल और इंटीरियर एंगल मिलाकर 180 डिग्री होते हैं, तो एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज 180 minus 165 degree, that is 15 degree. And now the number of sides is equals to sum of exterior angles upon each exterior angle. So sum of all exterior angles is 360 and each is 15. So it would be 360 upon 15, and on dividing this you will get 24. So the number of sides is 24 if each of its interior angle is 165. अगर exterior दे रखा होता तो डायरेक्ट इस फॉर्मूला में डाल सकते हैं, और अगर interior दे रखा है so first you will find the value of exterior and then you will be solving it like this. Thus the regular polygon which is having each interior angle 165 is having 24 sides. Question number 5 said, is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? He is asking कि क्या ये possible भी है एक ऐसा polygon जिसका measure each exterior angle का 22 degree है. So exterior angle अगर 22 degree है तो number of sides is having this formula, sum of all angles and divided by each exterior angle. So number of sides is 360 upon 22, that is 16.36 when you will be dividing it. So 16.36 cannot be the sides of a triangle, any polygon. So no, we cannot have a regular polygon with each exterior angle as 22 degree, as it is not divisible by 360, because 16.36 cannot be the sides of a triangle, any polygon. Same way in the fifth question he is asking the B part, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? अभी उसने पूछा कि क्या ये exterior angle हो सकता है? We have shown it no. Now he is asking कि can it be possible for a regular polygon to have an interior angle of this measurement? So we have taken this interior angle to be 22 degree. Exterior angle is 180 minus 22 degree. उसका exterior angle निकाल लिया हमने. अगर ये interior है तो उसका exterior होगा 158 degree. So no, we cannot have a regular polygon with each exterior angle as 158 degree, as it is also not divisible by 360. Now in question number 6 he is asking, what is the minimum interior angles possible for a regular polygon and why? So first of all you have to find out the polygon which is having the minimum number of sides, and that's a triangle. Equilateral triangle is a regular polygon with 3 sides, और जो 3 sides हैं that is having the least possible minimum size, उससे कम sides नहीं हो सकती, और इसमें minimum interior angles भी होंगे, because the regular with minimum sides can be constructed with 3 sides at least. कम से कम आपको 3 sides चाहिए, और equilateral triangle में 3 sides हैं तो 3 ही angles भी हैं उसके. Since sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree, so each interior angle is 180 upon 3, 60 degree, and you know this without this formula also, that each interior angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. So he has asked you the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon, that's an equilateral triangle, and minimum angle measurement of its interior angle is 60 degree. What is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? अभी आपने इंटीरियर एंगल निकाला, अब आप एक्सटीरियर एंगल निकालेंगे कि इससे बड़ा कौन सा नहीं हो सकता. So again the whatever the smallest interior angle, that would be having the biggest exterior angle, because the sum of both would be 180 degree. So equilateral triangle is a regular polygon with 3 sides has the maximum exterior angle, because the regular polygon जिसमें least number of sides हैं उसी के maximum exterior angle possible होगा. So maximum exterior angle interior है 60 degree, तो उसका maximum exterior angle आएगा 120 degree, because 60 plus its exterior angle would be 180 degree, and that is 120 degree.